I'm Ian Pannell from the GSM Association. I head the technology teams in the GSMA. That includes the working groups that we have that work on all areas of technology and business interest for mobile operators, and I also help run their executive management committee. I'm here at Symposium to help run the standardization certifications workstream. We at the GSMA, we're not a standardization body, but we understand that standardization is a very important factor of achieving scale and user choice within the industry. So we see it as a very important piece of that work and something we wish to promote. In terms of the barriers to adoption of new technologies and new services within the industry, in general, it's more about being innovative around commercial models and business models. I would say that because I'm a technologist and I think technology is easy and people are hard. But in terms of achieving those or providing the right sort of environment for those sorts of new services and new innovation, you have to have the standards, but those standards have to be flexible and open enough to support multiple types of business models and engagement. It's always a challenge for us as a trade association, and I'm sure for many other standardization organizations, how they balance the competition that happens with the industry with the need for both interoperability and ubiquity. For the average user in the street, they have to know that their service will work no matter what operator they're on and no matter what country they go to. So that's what the user demands, and it's up to the industry bodies to make sure that they try to achieve that. That makes for some interesting discussions at times, but they are discussions that just have to be worked through. The GSMA's role in sort of facilitating these sorts of discussions and bringing the industry together is through operating projects where we have both operators and manufacturers and suppliers of services all sitting around the same table, all agreeing to the common ways of achieving things. And because we are a trade association, we have to abide by those rules of sort of user choice and ubiquity and interoperability of services. This meeting, this conference has been discussing two main issues, I think, and they've been the needs of the M2M market and the needs of NFC and payments. And I think both of those issues are highly relevant to future service launches and the future of many companies and industries, both within the mobile sector and outside the mobile sector today. So it's a very relevant and an important conference.